In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of seamlessly blending two photos using the Generative Fill feature in Photoshop. Begin by opening the two images you'd like to combine. Once your image is correctly positioned, select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar or press M on your keyboard. Use this tool to delete any unnecessary parts of the image. Navigate to the contextual toolbar at the top and click on Select Subject. After the subject is selected, choose Invert Selection to reverse the selected area. Switch back to the rectangular marquee tool. While holding down the Alt key, Windows, or Option key, Mac, delete portions of the inverted selection. Make sure to leave some space near the layer with the girl to facilitate a smooth blend. Finally, navigate to the Generative Fill option. Leave the parameter fields blank and click on Generate. Congratulations! You've successfully blended two images into a cohesive composition.